Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today we are going to be making a quick and simple oven roasted chicken breast and veggie dinner just in one sheet pan. How cool is that? So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, using a plastic wrap, cover the chicken breast and use a meat mallet on a flat surface and pound the chicken gently. You might be wondering why we are pounding the chicken breast. By doing so, guys, it helps to tenderize the meat and also to cook at an even rate. After pounding the chicken breast, now we're gonna go ahead and season the chicken breast with salt on both sides. We are also gonna follow with a Cajun seasoning on both sides too. Once all that is done, we're gonna go ahead now and spread the mayo on the chicken breast. If you haven't tried a mayonnaise on the chicken, guys, you need to try it. It's awesome. It keeps the chicken moist and juicy. Next, we are going to grease the pan lined with foil with a non-stick cooking spray. Then we're gonna transfer the chicken onto the pan. Next, we are going to add more seasoning. Now we're gonna go in with thyme, followed by crushed red peppers. This is optional, guys. If you don't like spicy food, just omit it. We're gonna follow with a garlic powder, then breadcrumbs. We're gonna go in with black pepper, and we're gonna go in with dried rosemary. Now it's time to add our veggies. Next, we're gonna add mushrooms to the pan. Make sure you spread them across the pan, guys. Then we're gonna follow with bell peppers and onions. Next, drizzle with olive oil, then season with Cajun seasoning. We're not gonna use salt here, guys. Now we're gonna bake this at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, there you have it, guys. One sheet pan quick dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Serve over rice or serve as chicken fajitas. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye bye.